simply for my own amusement.
Then why did she do it? What's wrong? I'm allergic to cats. Sorry. Bless you.
Thanks for the tip.
1,000. Is that a bit of 7?
When I'm gagging on. Allergic to daffodils. Thank you, son.